Yeah, it's looking good though.
Yeah, now we have both pistons in, piston rods in on both sides, and so we're getting a little bit closer.
So I just heard you guys might steam it up in a couple weeks.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We're not quite sure yet, but at the pace that we're moving along, I would say it's highly likely that we fired up around that time.
Try to move it.
Yeah, try to move it. When we fire it up, that'll be the time that we move it.
Yeah.
Assuming all things go right. We just for like emergency purposes, we might pressurize it with air and try to move it on air just to make sure that everything's working properly.
That makes sense.
And then we'll fire it up and try it. But yeah, I mean, I know I'll be posting about it everywhere and all my accounts, and 2926 will be posting about it everywhere.
I'll be looking for that.
Yeah, I'll type in the group chat thing with the other people, but
yeah, that would be something really nice to see, obviously.
Yeah. It'll be, well, I mean, the 20th will be on a Saturday.
Right,
so, but hopefully that's when it is. We'll see.
So, I heard the tool car's on the way.
Oh yeah, I have one of my friends in Chicago actually saw it on a train, and he got a picture of it.
So I assume they're shipping it out by BNSF?
So we're using Norfolk Southern and BNSF to ship it. That's the tool car right there. It was taking it at nighttime, but
yeah, man, look at that.
Good.
Do you know when it's going to be here?
We really have no idea.
There's no way to track it, is it?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I knew they put some GPS trackers on the 3751 cars that they were moving out. So I was hoping maybe you guys would do that, but
could have. I don't know. It'll go right over there. So we'll have to actually move the locomotive onto the street, put it on a side track or something, and push the tool car in and move it back. So that'll be pretty cool to see.
I would love to see that.
Yeah, we're not sure how. It should be fine, but the tracks on the street, I don't know, they kind of worry me a little bit.
I thought you guys upgraded them.
Not that I'm aware of.
Because I know they just upgraded some to Class 2 rail recently.
Yeah, Class 2.
Yeah.
So we're in kind of a fight with the state. The state is saying that the tracks in the street are our tracks, but they're not our tracks.
So they want
they want us to like upgrade them and pay for the rebuild or whatever they have to do.
Yeah, there's good and bad to that. Yeah. Mainly you got to take care of it.
With it was quite expensive to get the tool car over here. So
in addition to the cost of it and all that.
Yeah.
Just shipping it.
Shipping it. It was pretty. I'm not sure how much exactly it was, but it was.
I know you guys are. I know I donated money to it, so I was watching the little money thermometer go up. It's like $130,000 or something like that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
But yeah. That's the piston rod. It looks a lot bigger when it's in the
I'll go around to the other side and look at it. I don't want to walk through these guys because I'll get in the way.
And then we're also putting wood in the cab.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if you've seen it yet.
Show me.
Yeah, this is a cab 4.
See it? Drill hole will be on your way.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, not a lot. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I don't know what that look at steam gauges and LCD screens. It's gonna be epic, isn't it? Only 21st century you find something like that. Yeah.
Want that out of there before we break it? Yes. And we got to have somebody that's an elephant to carry this down.
Well, we've already seen the PTC. PTC thing.
I don't think so. Let's just set it over there.
Yeah. I think it's still being hooked up. It's not quite done yet.
Oh, the PTC is the black box.
Yeah. I'm done standing on that. Watch your step on it.
Okay.
Okay, now we're out of the way here.
Thank you guys.
sludge up here.
Okay.
Fixed. Yeah. It's the PTC box. We can, control another diesel locomotive behind us.
You're gonna see your new boobs.
It'll still be a little process of, just getting it right, and then you have to slow down, and then you have to adjust it. But we'll still have that, but at least we can control it from here. We don't have to radio the diesel.
So it'll be controlled from here, and the diesel won't be controlling it.
So we can control the diesels.
Oh, I see. So you're going to basically control the diesel from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. The whistle rods out. So that's one thing.
Meg can go back. Well, not yet.
Let's make sure.
This
If you have to
other
ream a hole, this
is
would be the thing to do it
the
with.
brake?
This right here.
No, this thing.
Oh no, this is the throttle.
Throttle, okay.
Yeah. These are the brakes right here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Lay them up here. Good idea.
Yeah.
So this floor is going to go all the way across here.
Yeah.
And that's going to look nice.
Yeah.
Gotta go your way.
It's really good.
Not much, but a little.
All right, let's get out of here.
That's all right.
This is the whistle we're working on.
That's what you're working on. How cool is that? Let me take a picture of it.
I think these are both the throttle rods. Let's see.
Well, they keep saying they're gonna work up a
The piston rod inside there.
for mutual agreement.
That's
It's still really cool to see it in there, because most of the time before this you just look in there and it's just a hole.
Just a big tube.
Yeah, so
Man, look how tight that thing is. That's just so cool.
it's amazing.
And then the next thing to do is just to put the cover on it, huh?
Yeah, there might be some other stuff you have to do first, but they're putting the cylinder head on the other side. Right in the action.
She's right in the middle of it.
Let it see what they are.
Watch your feet.
Hung up on the crack. A little further.
Yeah, we need a little further.
All right, got it?
Watch Mike's foot.
Well, that was more of
A little up. Tell me when to stop.
I'm keeping all
your tools in the
When to
wheelbarrow.
stop.
I'm not
keeping
letting them
up.
get put away.
Good.
Those compressors, man, they gave you guys a poke, didn't
Did you just park the wheelbarrow in there, or what did
Yep.
you do? Okay.
I parked it in there, and then the guys brought the big hoses in behind it to make sure I couldn't get it out.
Okay. Doggone hoses.
Pretty good on the top. It could go just a little counterclockwise on top. Yeah. You could get it on.
Hey, Tim. Oh, good time. How many? Need another one?
You must be learning a lot.
Oh yeah,
Are you enjoying it?
more than enough. Yeah.
I bet, yeah.
This is my dream in life is to work on steam locomotives.
Okay.
So I'm getting the chance to work on a steam locomotive before, 18 or whatever the age is.
Yeah.
So I'm getting a lot of knowledge from a great man, Henry.
Yeah.
He's really knowledgeable about this.
I've talked to the guys up at Cumbres, and they say, there's really nothing more important than guys like you and your age group to get all infected with the interest in this stuff and keep this stuff running. Because, look at these guys; they're all 1,000 years old like me. No, it's really good that you're doing it.